Hey Snohomish County, I am out here in front of my latest listing. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on a cul-de-sac that gets phenomenal sunset views, and it's next to a trail where you can walk along the water. It's really cool, vaulted ceiling in the living room. I can hardly wait to show it to you, so let's go check it out. Guys, what did you think? I'm out here on one of 2 decks that you've got. The sunsets are amazing. I wish you could see that. Speaking of seeing, if you would like to schedule a private tour, give me a call on my cell. And the Lisa Bender team is happy to help, where you get old-fashioned service using today's tech. And until I get a chance to talk to you, take good care. Bye-bye.